What's up, y'all? It's your girl Rand here with another video, and today I'm going to be dyeing my hair black. I don't know why I'm doing my intro like this. It's just I didn't feel like setting up my camera because I'm about to go to the beauty supply store. The reason why I'm dyeing my hair in the first place is because prom is next week and I want to do a certain hairstyle, but it needs to be black because yeah, my hair is currently like 5 different colors. It's like red, orange, black, blonde. Like, I just picked this up and I'm going to be showing you guys how I dye my hair. Okay, so I'm not really sure how this looks right now. Sorry, my room is a little messy if you could see. Basically, I went to the hair store and I got some hair stuff for prom. Now we're gonna just get right into the coloring of my hair. Okay, I just broke it. And random clips and stuff just to get my hair out the way. Put my hair into 4 sections. Really don't care about how I'm doing this, so I don't want to hear nobody's mouth in the comments because I really do not care. And that's that. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. Comes with the conditioner. I actually really like this stuff. I just really be putting anything in my hair. It's the hair color, and this is the solution that you mix together. Girl, I was gonna say they didn't give me no gloves, but I forgot to send the directions. Wear a shirt you don't care about, that you have a towel if you're not doing it in the bathroom. I keep forgetting I'm recording. I'm no hairstylist, so I don't really know the technical ways to do things. Thank you. So yeah, but it's the mess I made. I'm back and it's been about 40 minutes. No shampoo. You're not supposed to use shampoo, so I'm gonna be just using this conditioner that comes with the hair dye. And yeah, I'll be back and I'm gonna try and get this stuff off my face, off my arms, off my legs. Okay, so I just got out the shower. Don't mind my bangs. to make sure that it stays moisturized. Bella Curls leave-in conditioner in the driest areas that I have. Sorry if my face looks greasy. I just put moisturizer on it. Then I'm gonna be taking Goddess Curls stuff. I'm almost out of it. This is what it looks like. And this is how I let my hair dry so that it's not making my shirt extra wet. I'll be back when my hair is dry. This is what my hair looks like. And yeah, this is what she's looking like. Enjoyed watching me dye my crazy hair. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. Be on the lookout for how I straighten my hair video, because I straighten my hair for prom because I have this certain hairstyle. Make sure you check out my prom video. Thank you for watching. Peace.
I thought she cared for me.
What did she do or say that gave you that impression?
The way she talked to me. Smiled.